Stop scrolling and ask yourself, how many times do you wake up in the middle of the night, exhausted and confused? Fragmented sleep doesn't just leave you tired, it affects your mood, focus, and overall health. The good news: you can restore deep, uninterrupted sleep using simple, natural methods. Start with a consistent sleep schedule. Your body thrives on regular patterns. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps synchronize your circadian rhythm, making it easier to sleep through the night. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone that triggers deep, restorative sleep. The sleep environment plays a huge role. A dark, quiet, and comfortably cool room promotes uninterrupted rest. Consider blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine. Even small adjustments like a supportive mattress or dim lighting can reduce those frustrating middle-of-the-night awakenings. What you eat and drink matters too. Steer clear of caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals close to bedtime. Instead, try calming herbal teas like chamomile or lemon balm, which naturally relax the mind and body. Proper hydration and balanced nutrition help your body recover and maintain energy for the next day. Incorporate meditation and mindful breathing. Simple breathing exercises, such as inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling slowly, can calm your nervous system. Practicing mindfulness before bed reduces racing thoughts, preventing sleep interruptions and enhancing overall rest quality. Regular physical activity is also key, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. Exercise promotes deep sleep cycles, but avoid intense workouts right before bed, which can spike adrenaline and disrupt sleep continuity. By combining healthy habits, a nurturing environment, and mindful routines, fragmented sleep can transform into restful, rejuvenating nights. Quality sleep is not a luxury, it's essential for mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical health. Don't wait another night. Begin these natural strategies tonight and notice the improvement within days. Your body, mind, and energy levels will thank you. Take action now and reclaim nights of uninterrupted restorative sleep.